Extended even if you ask me style and body friendly, schizophrenic, psychopathic brain, this money run go tell him.
Yeah.
Me let go one.
Oh, Bumbuckler. Who thinks I let me that tell? Who thinks I Bumbuckler let me that tell? Go God, tell him say go God and the Bumbuckler in a sibakle. A stunt and a prep my use it. One thing I let me that tell. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka the reaction boss. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And I post every single day 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. Now viewers and subscribers who have Gold God, Trending King people, you know, so the reaction number the first time we actually listening to or watching the videos. No, we don't know what to expect from Gold God, you know. Mr. Clark Convert himself, you know. Mr. What they call it? Weather. Mr. Big Money. You hear me I say? Mr. Chopper 6. We don't know what to expect, you know. More the big famous NC Backle, we don't know what to expect, you know. But guess what I want to do though? I want to like the video so the video get recommended to more people. And comment on the video so the video get recommended to more people who can take over YouTube at the entire Caribbean. Because right now I'm the #1 YouTuber in the entire Caribbean. You see anybody such a own up a status there? Me. Run the Bumbuckler by tune!
Four corner.
Me rascal. Go God Muslim. A Indian. The people in a cushy with the sheet around them body. Me Bumbuckler bell. Go on.
Feel the Bumbuckler steel.
Barefoot. No, me blood clot. No, well on there. Me grinding neck string. Barefoot. Run tune.
Trending then come back again and next one trending. Next one pending. Load up like the got them. Yeah, the clip extended. It's extended. Even if you ask me style and body friendly, schizophrenic, psychopathic brain, this money run go tell him.
Yeah.
Me let go one.
Oh, Bumbuckler. Who thinks I let me that tell? Who thinks I Bumbuckler let me that tell? Gold God, tell him say Gold God and the Bumbuckler in a sibakle. A stunt and a prep my use it. One thing I let me that tell. Who thinks I roast a style my try style Gold God. Look what the man Bumbuckler showing. Look at. And the things I style my papa me talk about the man in sibakle.
Schizophrenic, psychopathic brain, this money run go tell him. Yeah, me let.
Things I style my little papa me telling about Gold God in sibakle. No. See that him do it for him do it and showing up for himself. We all know say Gold God can't afford what anything, you know. But that there's something to look for in the video. But guess what? Run tune!
Go on, rub it hotter than the men. Tell them defend it. Even if you tell them about me little any photographic.
See there the bars sit there. You need to tell them about him little any. You need to tell them about him little any because vloggers them don't talk about it already. And people stop call me or tell me for review things. I'm not a review channel. I'm the reaction boss. Reactions I do. My brain on the them levels where them man they come up mashed up lyrics and a breakdown lyrics. Me don't do that. That them call review. Me no review things. Me really can get entertainment over here, so everything was fun. Run tune.
Give me a bad memory, kill them, then forget to slap them way and never table tennis.
Yeah.
Take me nothing, see me slide them.
Me right now like that. The dog outside, like the sheet, right? And then them have a stick in them. Me think what talk, but I run the tune and so I go on, man.
Don't compare me. Me and lead them, see the every day. Like the street like penitentiary. I go run the place a couple centuries.
Yeah.
How when you know about this?
Alibi shit, the way you know about this. But the man say I'm gonna like this, him like a street like it's what like a street like penitentiary. Blood cloud, them know about this. Go on with the Gold God.
About this. How when you know about this? Pussy want me at the training, me at the training.
What you know about this?
How when them know about this? How when them know about? How when them know about?
What you know about barefoot out the door and sheet and robe and stick like a Bumbuckler bet in the Bible and thing? What you know about this? What you know about this? Let's see more word on donkey out the door and they want to know about this. Hey, see, Bumbuckler, dog. Go get so any of the dog. Any artist I watch every day right now, dog. You see if you read one donkey now, one music video to blood clear, one donkey. You have play two, you know one music video, dog. Read one donkey, dog, and play two, you know one music video and so reach you. Blood clear, instant viral. Instant Bumbuckler viral. Run tune.
Hear me ever trending, pussy want me at the trending.
King,
me at the trending.
They barefoot.
Master the game, the masturbating.
Yeah. Well, now we dog say master the game, the masturbating. What them know about Gold God? What them know about Gold God? Run tune.
The only God in the making. Well, different from them, you can call me Picasso painting. Smarty look, they even try and know me hotter than the bakery.
Bumbuckler!
As we jump in the studio, kill the beat, no hesitating. Long time me bad, me take them back to basic. Boy,
Yeah.
them even work me time, then nah no style, them need to face it.
Bow.
Rifle them, lift up your naffy axe, then nah no safety.
Yeah.
Index finger lay down pan the trigger, activate it.
Yeah.
Beat the gun then till the nozzle aggravated.
Bumbo clock, gold god dog. Nah, me lighter now walking up people. So say lighter now. Just want to put comment the fire emoji them. Comment the fire emoji them dog. Gold god, what them know about this? What the bumbo clock them know about this? Go on, gold god, go on.
Yeah, if you want this mean I mean sweet. Where the fuck me get me meds? Them want to know which part the place is. Only man with full of style and flow. Me lyrics modulated. Day by day me kick them out a trend and get them agitated. One gotta shake them up my song then get the pussy constipated. Spread them out with future bars. And style them making fans forsake him. Push them end up in a one run look their lyrics and potato dog.
When you hear a gold god fuck up the rhythm. Bumbo clock dog, gonna take a minute. And listen, just watch it now.
Them agitate, one gotta shake them up my song then get the pussy constipated. Spread them out with future bars. And style them making fans forsake him. Push them end up in a one run look their lyrics and potato dog. Them can't ever find a style them make it look so complicated. Watch the even write me rhyme them and
What you know about this? What the second name again? Trending King. Because man knows that once he put out this by tonight it's a trend. By the time I post my video, this a trend. And guess what people, I want a video go trending by now, you know? So no one, no up on the like button for the reaction, no. Like how the bumbuckle by the reaction, no. Who else in Jamaica do it like me? Me alone. And me invent this bumbuckle in Jamaica. You hear me I say, me. Anybody say, if someone do it before me, they never invent it, and me do it. Me. Me the only one and only reaction boss. Me. You hear me? Me alone that do the way, that style, that energetic way. Nobody have my kind of vibe. We unique over here, so. You hear me I say, Rajun.
them tighter than a braces. How when you know about this? 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 Pussy want me at the training king. Me at the training
fucked up.
How when them know about this?
Yeah.
How when them know about this? How when them know about this? Yeah, me at the training. Pussy want me at the training king. Me at the training king.
When I go back in BMW, me say, alright, no, I go to my honest opinion about Gold God for them. Honestly, me feel say Gold God. Right, him sang them in them house, I'm in one studio and thing, right? And him goes about man go out that door, right? And get to maybe me have one camera by now, but he used to use him phone, in your iPhone, I make the video them. Call client convo. Me feel say him that himself I'm yard. And they want to come shop, quarantine shop. Me feel say you know that I just open and me I go to the dog. Nothing wrong with what I do now. Most of show no smart and I mind doing things by himself. You know, that me feel like. You know what I mean? That me I say that, but me not like. The NSC will prop the Gold God. You need record, you need some bumbo clear enough applause to that dog. Man come out and get on a Muslim style. Trending king, man invented. When you see the picture I try put on, when you see the picture I go put a while ago, you might walk from the camera dog. Bumbo cleat and you have a stick and nice sheet. When you see the picture, dog, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yo, I try to know what I can try. I'm going to look a story for never. Story time with Tyrekevlogs. So, I work a 9 to 5 job. You hear me I say? 9 to 5 job. I'm planning, I post 3 videos a day. How am I do that? Make the video them before I go to work. Make the video them. Make video during my break, lunch break. Make video after work. You see the video that though? Because the after work settings this. Hey yo, I say I want to start 9 to 5 job in the dog. I don't even know what I go on in the dog. But big up on yourself. Russian boss. Put in the work. With the 13,000 subscribers by this post. And because I want me to do. And think I work for me though. So just go and support the world Jamaican boys and make dreams and come true. We don't suffer about it. I work for it, get richer. Up and out, and I reach it either.